Harbor Freight just released their cart of clues for the next 10 days of deals coming up. Now, starting on Friday, July 17th, running until July 26th. They're going to have a different deal each of the 10 days. And they released what day one's going to be, which day one is going to be 30% off on all titanium welding products. Since it does include all welding products, it even includes the table too by titanium. So at the end of the video, I'll do more of a deep dive of the different welders they carry, and we'll mention whether or not if it's a good time to pick one up. There's gonna be at least one you want to wait for the August parking lot sale on. But I'm gonna go over the card of clues that they released, what I like to call the card of clues, and we'll take a look and see what everything's in there. And they usually release the next day's deal on the day before. All right, the first clue I'm going to cover is going to be on the Icon professional torque wrench. In particular, what they had in the cart was a 1/2-inch drive of the 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque range. The retail price on it is $150, so we have to see what the deal is going to be on it, and it's got to be something that's going to be better than 30% off. That's going to be what the deal is coming up in the August parking lot sale. And one of the things that I noticed in the cart of clues, it is actually many items that are going to be covered in the August parking lot sale. So we have to see if it's going to be better deals or not. And also we'll have to see if it's going to include more torque wrenches or not, or if it's just going to be this one specifically. They actually have many different Icon tools in this cart. So the next one I'm going to cover is on the G2 ratchet. And specifically, they have the 14-inch one. So here it is, the 14-inch locking flex head ratchet in the 3/8 drive. This one does retail at $69.99. So we'll have to see what the deal is going to be on it, and if it's going to be a deal on all G2 ratchets. We have no clue yet besides this one alone. So might be worth a pickup, whatever deal they do on it. And the next cart of clue item is going to be on the Icon deep sockets. So again, we don't know if it's going to be on all sockets or specific to these. So here's an example of the SAE and a metric of the deep sockets. Retail price is $45. So again, we'll have to see what the deal is going to be on them. And the next item that's in the shopping cart is on the Icon 35-piece set. It's a Meme 1.0 toolkit, and here it is. It's a 35-piece set. Comes with the flex ratchet that has a pass-through ratchet with the extension bar. You can use it as a pass-through. You can also put it on the end of the ratchet to create additional leverage. It has these different bits to it, all listed out. It's a great set to have if you don't have one already. I do recommend picking one up. And during the August parking lot sale, it's going to be saving 25% on it. And you'll be able to pick it up for $29.99. So during these 10 days of deals, we're going to see if it's going to be a better deal or not. And if it is, that will be the time to pick it up. Next up, they have both the Hercules and Bauer battery starter kits that are the 5 amp hour ones. So again, this is another overlap items in the upcoming August parking lot sale, where if you buy the kit, you do get an option of a free tool. So we will have to see what they do for these 10 days of deals. And just to let you know, the Hercules 5 amp hour battery with the 4 amp charger is priced at $120, and the Bauer starter kit is priced at $115. Whereas during the August parking lot sale, they're going to lower the price to $99.99, and you do get a free tool with that price. So again, we'll have to see what's going to be coming up, and be sure you are subscribed to the channel, where I will release those deals when they announce those deals. And the next item in the cart is a Meguiar's ceramic wax spray bottle. So that tells me they're probably going to have a deal on all Meguiar's, because I think there is another Meguiar's product right here. Can't quite tell what it is. So might be a good time to pick up some Meguiar's, depending on what the deal is, of course. And I know many of you have been waiting for a deal on the Meguiar's brand products. That way it goes with the Grant's products that were recently on a deal during the parking lot sale last month. So this will go hand in hand with the Grant's products. And the next item in the cart is going to be the Apache case, which happens to be the 2800 series case that they have in the shopping cart. This one retails at $30. This is going to be considered their medium size box. And it's available in the 3 different colors for this box. It's going to be the black, orange, and then the tan color, which there's the tan right there. And so we'll have to see if it's going to be specifically only on this case, or if it's going to include all Apache cases. And if that's the case, if it includes the 3800 series, that is currently on an instant savings price of $35, saving 12%, normally priced at $40. So if they have a deal on all cases, it might be a potential deal where you could stack on top of the instant savings deal, but make it even better. And these are cases that I use for my Freedom Seed dispensers, as well as drones and camera equipment. I highly recommend these cases. Fraction of the price versus Pelican cases, and they hold up pretty well. And the next item they have is on the Braun 1000 lumen tactical gun light. And here it is right here. It's a tactical rail mount LED light. This is a very popular light, and for good reason. It's nice and bright. It attaches right to the rail system of your pew pew, and the retail price on it is 60 bucks on it. So again, we have to see if it's going to be specifically to this light or if it includes all Braun lights. And if it does include all Braun lights, there are a couple of them that are on instant savings. They have the 800 lumen one that does use 4 AAA batteries. The instant savings price is 9 bucks, which is saving 25% on it, normally priced at 12. Then they have the Braun 400 lumen rechargeable pin light with the UV light on an instant savings price of 20 bucks, which is saving 20% on that, normally priced at 25. So if they have an all Braun light deal, might be a good time to stack on those instant savings as well. And they do have one other Braun light that's on an instant savings of $24. It's a 750 pocket floodlight. Comes available in the 4 different colors of the green, blue, red, yellow. So it's saving 20% on it right now on the instant savings. It's normally priced at $30. So again, if they happen to have an all Braun light deal, be another good opportunity to stack on it if your store allows it, like mine does, and majority of the others. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's head to the next card of clue item. And the next item up is on the Bauer 1800 portable power washer. So it's 1800 psi, rated at 1.2 gallon per minute. And here it is here. It has a 20-foot hose with it. It weighs just 15 pounds. It has different nozzles as well as a soap siphon hose. It is nice and compact with the handle on the top, makes it easy portability. The normal retail price on it is 100 bucks. Now we'll have to see what the deal is going to be on it, because it is going to be in the upcoming parking lot sale for 70 bucks, where you're going to be saving 30% on it. So it has to be a better deal in order to be able to go for it during the 10 days of deals. And the last item they have in the cart of clues is going to be on this Viking 1000 peak amp charger. It also doubles as a power bank, so you could charge smart devices with it through the USB, as a USB-C and a USB-A outlets there. So it is rated at only 1000 peak amps. It's only good for up to V6 size engines, up to 3.5 liters. And the diesel is up to a 2.4 liter. So definitely it's going to be limited as far as the size engine you can jumpstart with it. That's why I do recommend going for the units that I reviewed on my channel, which I will put a link up above in case you are interested in something like that. I don't care what the deal price is on it. I don't recommend these because of them being limited in size. Even if it does fit your engine, you never know if you're going to run across someone that might need a jump start and they have a V8 engine and it won't be able to do it. So I'll have a link up above to the Wolf box system that I reviewed. I definitely recommend that one. It's both a jump starter and a compressor in one inflator, so you're able to inflate tires as well as jump start vehicles. And it has large engines that it'll cover, because it is a 4000 peak amp, which will cover most gasoline engines as well as diesel engines. I think up to 10 liters, or might be a little bit bigger than that, but definitely a more capable jump starter than what Viking offers. Now this next item might be a stretch. It might be a clue though. From the card of clues, the guy did kind of touch the icon box. So it's only pure speculation that there might be a deal on tool storage solutions. So we'll have to see. It was just kind of odd how he brushed up against the icon box. And I think that might be intentional. So again, we'll have to see what they do as far as the 10 days of deals go, and I will definitely cover them. All right, now I'll do more of a deep dive of the titanium welding products, where you can save 30% off on them, which is going to be on day one, Friday, the 17th. So the first item I'm going to say you should pass on, which is the titanium unlimited 140. If you're in the market for this one, definitely hold off until the parking lot sale, because you will be able to pick it up for 400 bucks then, which is going to be saving 33% on it. So it's going to be a better deal there, 200 bucks off during the upcoming parking lot sale in August. Next up is going to be the titanium flex core easy flux. It's a 125 amp, and that retail price is 150 bucks. And this is something I'm actually considering picking up, so let me know down in the comments below if this is something you would recommend. I would be absolutely a noob to welding, and I'm looking to get into welding and thinking about picking one up, so let me know in the comments what you think of it. Next welder option is going to be on the titanium TIG 200. It's rated at 120 volt or 240 volt. It has an LED readout, and the retail price on that one is $850, which is a clearance price on it. And of course, they do have an open box here for 680. Next up is going to be the titanium stick welder, 225 amp. It's a 120 volt or 240 volt as well. Has an LED indicator, and that's priced at 300 bucks. And they have the titanium MIG 170, which is also 120 volt or 240 volt, and that's priced at 550. And they have the titanium MIG 140. It's a 120 volt one. It's not dual voltage. It also has a LED readout, and that retail price is 500 bucks. And this is something that should be included since it is a titanium welding product. I guess technically it is a plasma cutter. It's a 120 volt or 240 volt, has a built-in air filter and an LED readout. The retail price on that one is 800 bucks. And since the deal does cover all welding products by titanium, the titanium welding table is going to be included. It does have the tools and clamps with that. It's rated at 600-pound weight capacity. It includes 24 pieces of the fit-up kit, as they call it, with the clamps. The table is a modular design where you could just have the tabletop as a work surface, so you put it on top of a work surface or another workbench, or you can add the legs to it and use it as a regular table. Now, the retail price on that is 190 bucks, and it's going to be the time to pick it up during this one-day deal where you can save the 30% on it, which will be saving $57 on it, and you'll be able to pick it up for $133. And then during the parking lot sale, they're going to have that priced at 148, which will be saving $42 on it, and that's only 22% off. So definitely better deal on day one, and pick it up for 133, and that will be the lowest I've seen it. They do have a couple different options for welding helmets. This one is going to be the 9.3 square inches auto darkening welding helmet. It has a true color lens to it, and that's priced at 100 bucks. So you would be able to pick that one up for 70. And they do have a smaller option at a 7 square inch one. It's also auto darkening, and that one's priced at 70. And you could pick up the titanium welding gloves. The retail price on that is 12 bucks. And the last titanium welding item that I can find in the store here, it's on the 150 amp spool gun. This would be good for welding aluminum because it has a spool on the gun itself, and you're able to do 16 gauge, quarter inch aluminum with it. The retail price on this one is 160 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $112, which is saving 48 bucks on that. And in case you are interested in picking up this welding gun for aluminum, just wanted to make sure you knew that it is able to be connected right to the titanium unlimited 200, the MIG 170, and the titanium MIG 140. That will allow you to be able to just plug and play basically without needing an adapter. And here's a look at the specs on it in case you're interested in taking a look at that. As far as the wire diameter, you're able to do 0.030 and 0.035, and it weighs just 6 pounds. And the cable on it is a 10-foot long cable. All right, that's going to be all I'm going to cover in this 10 days of deals video. I will be sure to cover the remaining 10 days of deals, so be sure you are subscribed to the channel for those updates. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below if you're going to go for any welders, as well as your experience with the titanium welder specifically. I really do appreciate you watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.